folks, welcome to Golden Rule, your trusted source for all things HVAC. Today we've got something special to talk about, the R801T UH Endeavor Line Achiever Series gas furnace. It's more than just a furnace, it's your ticket to a cozy and efficient home. Let's dive right into it. Here are the key features that make this furnace stand out. First up, we've got peace of mind performance. With a 10-year conditional parts warranty and a whopping 20-year heat exchanger warranty, you can rest easy knowing your investment is well protected. Now that's peace of mind. Next, let's talk about exceptional energy efficiency savings. Speaking of efficiency, this furnace proudly flaunts an 80% annual fuel utilization efficiency rating. That's the efficiency you want to see in your home heating system. Now you might wonder, is this furnace right for my home? Well, it's perfect for homeowners who plan on living in their home for 8 to 10 years or more. It's a reliable and cost-effective choice for the long haul. Last but not least, let's talk about the installation cost. You're looking at a range between $6,000 and $8,000, which is a solid investment for the comfort and efficiency this furnace brings to your home. So there you have it, the R801T UH Endeavor Line Achiever Series gas furnace. If you want peace of mind, exceptional energy efficiency savings, and efficient comfort, this furnace is the way to go. Don't wait, contact Golden Rule today to learn more and prepare to cozy up in your home this winter. Remember, at Golden Rule, we're not just heating and cooling experts, we're your neighbors and we treat your home like it's our own. Thanks for watching and stay warm.